guys, we're going to check Math Dailies, week 23, day 2. Sorry, the cap on my marker is squeaky. Okay, the first box is to decompose or break down 3/8 in 2 ways. So here we have 1/8 plus blank equals 3/8. And remember, because our denominators are the same, we just add the top number. So 1 plus blank equals 3. And I'm sure you got this. 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3. So 3 ones would give you 3. So 3/8. So both of the missing ones are 1/8. Then the second way to decompose 3/8 is to add 2/8 plus blank 8 equals 3/8. And again, our denominators are the same, so 2 plus blank equals 3. And we have 1 again. Easy peasy, you got this. All right, next it says Forrest orders 5 boxes of toothbrushes. If he has 135 toothbrushes altogether, how many are in each box? So we know the big number, the whole group of toothbrushes that he has, but we want to split it into the 5 boxes to see how many are in each. So we are going to divide. 135 divided by 5. Right? 5 will not fit into 1. It will fit into 13. 2 times 5 times 2 is 10. Subtract. 13 minus 10 is 3. Bring down 5. And 5 goes into 35 7 times. 7 times 5 is 35. Subtract. And we have 0. And there's no remainder, nothing left to bring down. So our answer is 27 toothbrushes, or you could say 27 in each box. Or you could say 27 toothbrushes in each box. But anyway, that's our answer, 27. And you could check it if you wanted to. 27 in each box times 5 boxes. 7 times 5 is 35. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 3 is 135. And because this matches this or this, we know it's correct. All right, the next one is super duper easy. 10 divided by 1. Anything divided by 1 is the other number. 10. Okay, and then the last one is showing how fractions are equal to decimals. 55 100ths is the same as 0.55. Think of it as 55 cents out of $1, 55 out of 100, or 55 out of $1. So now we're going to change 64 100ths to a decimal. And so you see what they did here is basically just move the decimal over 2 places. It was 55, and then the decimal goes here, but we just don't write it because it's at the end. You don't need it. But if you move it over 2 places, because there are 2 zeros, you'll get it too. So that's just another little trick to remember. But because it's out of 100ths, you can just remember it's like cents out of $1. So if we had 64 out of 100 cents or pennies, then we would have 0.64. And sometimes they don't put the 0. Sometimes they just put 0.64. But the 0 just lets you know that there's no whole number with it. It's just this fraction or this part of the number. So 64 cents. Thanks, guys. I will be back in another video to do day 3.